Wolf? What's going on?
Oh, great. It's you again.
What's the matter, buddy?
You just want to tell me yet another lame, boring joke, don't you?
Who, me? Of course not, Mr. Wolf. Not this time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really. I just want to ask you something.
Okay, what's that?
Do you happen to notice anything different about me?
Yeah, it would appear you've grown a beard there.
That's right, Mr. Wolf. Got myself a makeover here. Oh,
so
hell
I see.
yeah. And you want to know something else, Mr. Wolf?
What's that?
You've grown a beard there, too.
What?
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh, my God. Do my eyes deceive me? This can't be.
And now we're both twins, see? We look exactly alike.
Bloody hell, I look ridiculous with a beard.
Hey, man, it was all my idea, you know. I, for one thing, figured I'd look pretty superb with a goatee. Oh, hell yeah.
What's a goatee?
What? You delusional scoundrel of a canine! You claim to know everything, yet you don't happen to know what a goatee is? Ah, phooey.
Look, Ram, I just don't really know what a goatee is, alright? I'm not familiar with that term. Besides, aren't you the one who's supposed to be, you know, fucking retarded?
Hey, man, I may not know as much as you do, but at least I happen to know the meaning of the word goatee. So there.
Seriously? You guys sure are a couple of weirdos.
What in tarnation is he doing here?
Well, that's what I'd like to know, buddy.